To this now, 2 inmates have died of COVID-19 at a correctional services centre in East London, and there are 6 more confirmed cases.
Well, this brings the total number of infections really in the prison to 101 and 166 nationally. ENCA reporter Avim Tila visited the family of one of the deceased inmates who initially tested negative for COVID-19. Let's have a look.
This is the first time the family is visiting Twaita's grave since her passing on the 23rd of April. Her mother last spoke to her on the 19th of April while she was still an inmate at the East London Correctional Services.
I got a call from Correctional Services, and it was my daughter who phoned me. She said, I could, Mama,
loosely translated, this means, Mom, I am dying now. Please do all you can to get me out of here. A few days later, her daughter, who had a chronic illness, passed away. This came as a surprise to the family as she had initially tested negative for COVID-19.
We really want a closure. We do not know what happened between the time she was negative and the time she was positive, and we really don't know what happened between these 2 institutions, that is the Department of Correctional Services and the Department of Health, and we do not know exactly why we were not informed that she is positive.
Correctional Services says it had been keeping the family in the loop and had retested Twaita a day before her death.
When the results came back, it was already, I think, 5 days after her passing on. Then those results confirmed that she had COVID-19. You may test negative today, but the following days thereafter, either you come into contact with someone who's positive, or you happen to be in an area where there's contamination. You will then contact the virus.
The family had to make arrangements to bury their daughter within 24 hours of being told she was deceased.
There were 4 people who had PPEs. We could not see the body because we were told that it is being wrapped into 3 plastics before it is put in the coffin. We had a distance. Thereafter, we were given, after the body was inside, just to put the soil.
The family is pleading with government to consider releasing those with chronic illnesses during this time or those who haven't been convicted. Their daughter was awaiting trial since October last year. Avi Tila, East London, Eastern Cape.